How to download or install YouTube Create application. Hey there, welcome to our channel. YouTube has recently launched a new video editing software named YouTube Create. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to download it. Firstly, open up Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS on your mobile device. In the search bar, type YouTube Create and enter it. Tap on the first beta application entitled as YouTube Create. I have also given the direct link to access the application in description. Tap on install to begin the downloading process. Wait for the downloading process to complete. Please note that currently it is in beta mode and available only in certain geographic regions. If it's not available in your region, you can try again once it is launched globally. Once the downloading process is completed, you can access the app and start video editing on this new tool. Make sure to sign in or sign up an account, and then you can enjoy video editing with this new tool entitled YouTube Create. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the YouTube Create application on your mobile device. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.